and it's fuck this sorry and it's it's in smallest PS5 Max, which runs on an Android version.
Oh damn!
Damn, that is fuck. It runs on Marshmallow. As you see, it's not having specs. Now, let's play this shit. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh.
You're in trouble.
Jingles, jowa mo.
Gago. Yun yung security.
Our security is BPO. As you can see, meron po siyang print, yung fingerprint ito. Gaganyan nyo po. Okay? Tapos ito po yung home button. Gaganon, tapos gaganon. Ganon. Tapos isi-show ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-uninstall ng isang app.